Well, hello everyone. So today we are going to draw Deadpool. So let's get started. Let's draw his head first, way up here. Draw the top of his head with a shallow upside down U-shaped curve. And then start heading down side of his head and then go in to the chin. And let's do it on the other side. Down and over. Alright, let's smooth this line a little bit. Okay, starting right about the middle on either side, let's put a couple dots, and that'll be the inside of his eyes. So from the one dot, let's go up to towards the corner with a shallow curve, and we'll do the same on the other side. Starting from here, shallow curve down to the dot. Okay, so at the top of these lines we will curve it outward to the edge of the head. You can see it more on this side, but that's okay. Alright, from here we're gonna continue down towards the chin, about halfway to the cheek I should say. So we're gonna go down to the cheek and then up to try to meet that line which was over here. And we'll do the same on the other side, down to the cheek and then go back up. Alright, now we'll draw the inside of his eye, which are just a couple almond shapes. So from here, go up and then mirror it from below, just like that. And we'll do the same on the other side, starting from here, up and up, bottom part. There we go. So now we can go ahead and darken this a bit with the Sharpie. I'm using a Sharpie industrial marker today because that's what I had, but any Sharpie will do, any marker will do. Alright, let's do the other side. Alright, looks like this part needs to be a little bit thicker out here, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I didn't quite make it very symmetrical. Alright, let's go ahead and go down to his neck. Couple lines right there. Go over here, draw another line. Okay, now from about here we're going to go across to touch those two lines over to the other shoulder. So go across to the other shoulder. Alright, so now what we're going to do is curve it down and over to here towards his elbow. So curve it down, and on the other side let's do the same. We're basically trying to make this symmetrical. It's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. Alright, so now from the elbow let's go down to the hand, about so far, and we'll do the same on the other side. Okay, continue this line as a horizontal line, both sides. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go up and back. That's the little finger. Then we're going to go out a little bit further with a curve and back. One more, out the middle finger and back. And now we're gonna, right from the middle here, we're gonna go up a bit and in, up, in, and curve it down. Okay, so right at the top of the index finger here, actually let's put a little curve right there. Right at the top, let's go up, and this is the thumb, and then come over and down. Alright, now from here, let's just draw a curve for the elbow, like so. Alright, let's do the same on the other side. So curve out for the little finger, in, ring finger and in, middle finger and in, and again we'll draw a circle and down, and maybe a little bit of a line there, a little bit of a line there. Alright, so now let's draw his thumb, goes up and down, come out a little bit, and that'll be the back of his hand, and we'll do the same on the bottom to show his hand. Alright, from here we'll come out again for the elbow crease, and then right here let's show the inside of his arm coming up, up. There we go, he's got 2 thumbs up. Alright, next what we're gonna do is we'll draw his belt right here in the middle. So let's draw a circle right here. I've got it off a little bit to off the middle there, but that's okay. Alright, so now let's go ahead and draw another line, a thinner line on the inside, 2 half circles, and join those 2 lines with a line down the middle, like that. Okay, on the inside, draw a circle, and then blacken the section outside of those little circles for his belt. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go down a little bit from the top of the circle and draw a horizontal line. Do the same on the other side. Here, step up a little bit from the bottom, draw a line to the side. Okay, now let's draw his feet. The feet are going to be down here, so let's see, we'll go right about here, and let's just go ahead and mark it with a little bit of a line, just so we know where we need to go. From here we're gonna go out with a shallow curve, and on the other side we'll do a shallow curve. Alright, and then now let's just go ahead and continue this line up. Continue the line up, and from here we'll draw 2 lines toward the waist, not quite making it all the way. Alright, so right underneath his fist here, let's draw a line straight down, okay, and another line straight down, and we're gonna draw a slight curve underneath both of those lines, and again a straight line going down and another one down. Alright, so from here we're going to draw a curved line that connects these 2. So curved line, and on the other side. Alright, so what we're going to do here is we're going to darken this It's like the strap for his weapon or something. Alright, so here we'll do the same. We'll blacken that a bit, leave just a little bit of a white hint there to show that it's got some three-dimensional quality to it. Alright, from here let's draw another line down here and a line here, and this will be the rest of his I don't know if it's his ammo, so let's blacken that. And then on the left side of this part, let's leave a little white line here, leave a little bit of a white line on the left side of that part and on this side. Okay, and let's just go ahead and blacken this part of his belt as well. Once we color this, we can color the white parts gray, so it'll be the lighter part of his belt. Gives it a bit of a highlight. Alright, so from here, from about here, just on the inside of this particular section of his weapon belt, let's go down towards the feet about 2/3 of the way. Same thing with over here. 2/3 of the way. Alright, and then from here go out and in, here, out and in, and then from this break here by his ankle, let's go ahead and draw a curve going down to the middle and here to the middle, and make that a little bit thicker by drawing a parallel line to it, next to it, and blacken that area just like that. Okay, now let's draw the black part of his shoulder. So about 1/3 of the way down his upper arm, let's draw a curve, not quite touching the thumb. Okay, from here go up, kind of continuing this line here, up, go up towards the shoulder and curve in and up. Same here, let's go over to where this line would have been, continue that line, go up and over. Alright, so let's go ahead and blacken that and leave a little bit of a white highlight. And do the same on this side. Leave a little bit of a white highlight there at the top of the shoulder. Alright, and let's go ahead and darken this neck. And now I'm gonna take my thin Sharpie and draw in some shapes on his chest here to show that he's got some muscles. So right here at the middle, let's just draw a line straight up and down, and then curve down and then out, down and out, here, down and up, and that's his pectoralis. And let's give him a bit of a six-pack. So again, here, small short line up and down, and then go out, and on the other side, and then one more right here. Let's curve it down a bit more and then up, here, down and up. Alright, let's draw a couple more black parts of his costume here. So he's got a little wristband thing here, so let's make a curve just past the hand. So a curved line, and let's just make that a little bit thicker. And same with the other side, curve, just like that. And now one more thing he's got here is this black patch, so just go straight up towards the neck, 90-degree angle, and just basically make a rectangle here. Okay, and we'll do the same over here, starting over here, rectangle. Alright, and that can just go all the way here to the edge. So I meant to draw him symmetrical, but looks like I have him turned a little bit this way with this upper body, which is fine. Alright, so let's continue on with these black parts of his uniform. And there's one that goes right here, so just draw angled line and a vertical, and let's do it on the other side as well. Blacken that in, and that's pretty much it for his costume. So let's go ahead and get to work on his sword. He's gonna have a couple swords here, so right over the shoulder it'll be angled like this. So draw an angled line, kind of like that angle with the pen. So one line first, and then let's draw the other side, and then connect those two lines at the top, going past it. A couple short vertical lines, and basically draw a long rectangle. Alright, so now we'll get to the handle, basically continuing that diagonal line. Let's start at the top here and draw the other side, pretty much parallel. Alright, so let's finish off the end with a slight curve. And that pretty much does it for the sword. I went ahead and did the other side right there. Drew a couple short parallel lines to give texture to the handle. And that's pretty much it. That's Deadpool. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.